Previously on Failproof Kitchen.
Today we are going to make famous crab cake recipe. So you want to grab like 4 or 5 little pieces of that, and then you can show them your knife skills.
Oh, I was going to grab the scissors. I could just go in like that. Oh, that's good. Hey y'all, welcome to Failproof Kitchen. My name is Jenna Fail.
And I'm Chef Robbie Jester, winner of Guys Grocery Games, Pressure Cooker on Netflix, and beat Bobby Flay.
Today I'm going to be showing Chef Robbie how to make a no-bake protein treat.
So this is your territory, so, put me to work.
I'm going to have you start with adding 3/4 cup of water to the oats.
To the oats.
And we're going to let that set for just a moment.
How's my pouring?
It was a good pour. I mean, that was 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? I'll work on it. We'll get to 10 out of 10.
We're going to go ahead and transfer that to the bowl.
Okay. And is there a reason why you're putting the water in the oats first?
Well, it's going to help soften those oats too, because these are not already broken down minute oats. So this is going to help just give you a little bit more of a tender bite whenever you bite into these.
Sweet.
Okay, now that the water's had a moment to set, I'm going to have Chef Robbie add 2 scoops of Phorm's Level 1 protein powder in flavor chocolate banana, which is going to be very fitting for these chocolate banana balls.
Nice. This is my favorite flavor.
Perfect. We're going to give that a mix.
Okay.
And this is also great, you guys. You can make these with your kids. It's just something fun to do. Get them in the kitchen, get them involved, and show them that healthy snacks don't have to be rice cakes, bland, nasty rice cakes. We're gonna have some fun in the kitchen and have some great flavors going on. Now, this is gonna be a little bit thick because you want to have some sturdiness to it, because we're gonna be forming these into balls. So, next up, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Creamy is the only way to go. I don't wanna hear any of those crunchy talks out there, but
It's gonna stick.
no, it's not, because I got a secret. I have a little secret weapon.
Secrets. We don't keep secrets in the Failproof Kitchen.
Not here. We're sharing them with you. A quick spray with your favorite non-stick cooking spray on the spoon, as well as the measuring cup itself. Wow, you're way more precise than me. I just go at it.
Just trying to be thorough, Chef.
Let me grab you a fresh spoon. Game changer in the kitchen. Good. That was a good spray.
Oh, thanks.
I'll give that a 10 out of 10.
Doing the whole cup here?
Yep, whole 1/2 cup. That looks good to me. And keep in mind too, you guys, if you're making something like this, you can measure with your heart too. It doesn't have to be this precise.
I like that, measure with your heart.
I do that a lot, especially with the chocolate chips with this. We might have to add a little more. Look at that clean exit. Doesn't get better than that. We're gonna go ahead and add the 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, as well as 1/3 cup of dried banana chips. Now you can find these sometimes already crushed, but if you find them in the actual chip form, just beat them up in a bag with a rolling pin and you're good. I did that earlier. Everybody looked really intimidated by me doing it.
It's a good stress reliever. It was intimidating to watch.
And just because it's right here on the counter from a previous recipe, we're going to add a little bit of homemade vanilla extract. This is optional and just because we have it here.
It's thick.
She's thick.
She's thick.
Damn! You know what? It's not a bad idea to get in here with your hands and mix these up. And guess what? We can spray our hands with non-stick cooking spray.
Oh, now.
This was a terrible idea. There we see, look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's
Smells good. Smells really good.
It does smell good. So we're gonna come over here with our parchment paper lined baking sheet. And you can form these into whatever size you like to snack on. Especially for kids, you might want to go a little smaller. If you like them a little bit bigger, then measure with your heart again.
Yep, measure with your heart. Sure. That's what we're doing. So we're going like this?
Yes.
Like a meatball
perfect.
or anything else?
That would be a good comparison there, a meatball.
Good, appropriate comparison. Got it.
See, I feel like that one does, I see not a lot of chocolate chips on that one. How's your mixing skills over there?
I'm so sorry, Chef. I'm so sorry. Please don't beat me, Chef.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Perfect.
Perfect? I like perfect.
I would say perfect, yeah. That looks
Perfect
good.
is good. Yeah, that one's got some chocolate chips in it.
You know the best part about cooking in the Failproof Kitchen is the snacks that we have on set.
I feel like I'm being taken advantage of. I'm doing all the rolling here.
I was just thinking the same thing.
I'm completely dirty.
You know what? Let's have a little contest. Who can roll the better?
I feel like they're getting bigger as I go.
All right, let's see. Let me get in here. I feel like I can crank.
You got a head start.
I got a head start.
Shit. Got a head start. You start with clean hands. It's unfair.
Who, me?
Yeah.
You're getting more consistent in your sizing here as it goes on.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice. And you know what you could even do if you want to be extra, you could roll these in some coconut or something.
Oh, yeah.
Or you could roll them in more chocolate chip. Well, I hate that. Hate that. Oh, you know what's so good? The crunch of those banana chips.
Yeah?
It's a perfect texture, yeah.
I mean, there's none left for me.
Okay, and there you have it. These are all rolled up. You're gonna pop them in the fridge for about an hour or until they feel firm. You'll wanna store them in the fridge as well. So these are gonna keep for the next few days and be the perfect little snack.
Next time on Failproof Kitchen.
Today we're gonna be going head to head to make our favorite quick breakfast option. Okay. If you have followed me for any amount of time online, you already know we're going with overnight oats. It is my favorite breakfast. You prep it the night before, so there's zero prep in the morning, which I think makes me the winner because there's technically zero morning prep.
I followed Jenna Fail, and I followed her for years, so I know she's gonna make overnight oats. So I'm gonna make my not quite overnight chia pudding. It's high in fiber, it's delicious, and it really feels like dessert, and I like the sweeter side of breakfast, so dessert is gonna be my go-to.